Hello there! Today we are going to make an orange tree. So are you excited to see what do we have in our book? Well, yes, we have a beautiful orange tree right here. Let's see what are the instructions and then see how our tree looks. That's beautiful. Let's see what are the materials required. We will require marble papers, pencil, stencil, scissor and glue. So let's take the stencil which is already provided in our book and start making. Yes, we have multiple stencils and we have to see on which the page number is mentioned. So let's take the stencil and start making. Yes, let's take an orange sheet of paper and use this 1 centimeter radius circle to make it. At first, let's fold it. Do you know why are we folding it? Well, yes, we are folding it so that we get multiple circles all at once when we cut it. Do you want to see how? Well, let's fold this like this together and see the magic. Make a circle on top of this. That's lovely. Now we need to take a big scissor for this and start cutting right on top of the drawn area. Yes, go very slow while cutting this circle. I'm sure you'll have to apply a little pressure for this as we have folded the paper multiple times. You can take your elders' help with this, or if you have no one around, you can cut one circle at a time. And look, so many circles are ready. The next thing we'll do is take a light green sheet of paper and mark 18 centimeter here with the help of our scale and mark 3 centimeter right here. Well, we have a stencil for this one as well. So, if you wish to use the stencil, then you can use it. But this is just an extra activity to do so that we know how to use our scale and make this rectangle. We can make the lighter rectangle with this one and the darker one with our stencil. So now, let's start cutting this. Yes, we are going to cut right on top of the drawn line. Cut in a straight line. That's brilliant. Once we are done with this, let's take our scissor and start making these thin cuts on top of our paper. Yes, this is for the bottom part. Let's do this together. Make sure you do not cut the entire line or else your paper will be cut. But not to worry, even if it's cut, you can actually place them side by side and stick it. Let's do this together. This is amazing. Once we are done with this instruction, we can keep it nicely. Yes, let's place it here. And look, this is ready. It looks so pretty, isn't it? Bend it a little outwards so that it looks like grass. After that, we are going to start putting these circles inside the tree. Yes, let's paste all our oranges everywhere. This is such an interesting activity, isn't it? You can place your oranges wherever you like. Take some glue on top of your finger and then start pasting the circles. You can also take some glue on top of your orange and then stick it right on top. Now, let's start sticking the oranges in the middle. This looks amazing, isn't it? That's lovely. Let's take the next sheet of paper, which is a darker green, and make this 3 cm by 18 cm rectangle for the grass. Well, yes, one we made with our scale and the second one we made with our stencil, so that we practiced both the things. Now we will cut this rectangle properly. Once we are done cutting this, we will repeat the same steps here. Just in case if your paper gets cut from the middle, not to worry. You can keep it aside and continue cutting the rest of them. And while sticking, we will stick both of them together. Yes, next to each other. Do you want to see how? Alright then, let's see this. Let's put some glue here. And then start sticking the other strip on top of it. Take this part and stick it right here. And after that, just bend it forward. Yes, so that the grass looks fluffy. And look, the entire activity is done.